In this video, I'll introduce you to using the Service command line interface on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. The administrator's working environment for Oracle Private Cloud Appliance is referred to as the Service Enclave. There is both a Service Web user interface and a Service command line interface to the Service Enclave. The Service CLI does provide some additional operations over the Web UI and is the focus of this video. I've opened a Git Bash terminal on my laptop. To access the Service CLI, you establish an SSH connection to TCP port 30006 on one of the management nodes in your appliance. This is the syntax of the command you need to run. SSH admin at management node -p 30006. I'll run this command and provide the admin user password, and now I'm connected. The Service CLI prompt, pca-admin, is displayed. I'm going to begin this demonstration by typing the question mark key. This provides a list of base commands. I'll just run a few of these in this video as an introduction to the command line interface. Subsequent videos in this series demonstrate additional CLI commands. I'll first run the list command, which results in an error message saying command not complete and object is missing. To get a list of objects, I'll run the list question mark command, which displays a list of available objects that can be used with the list command. The CLI provides a tab completion feature, so to list authorization groups, for example, I just need to type the A key and then press the tab key to complete the object name. I'll next run the list rack command by typing L, then press the tab key, then a space, then the R key followed by the tab key. You can use the up arrow key to recall previous commands. I'll then type the U key and press tab to list the base rack components. Next, I'll list the compute nodes using the tab key to complete both the list command and the compute node object. You can add sorting and filtering options to the list command and select which data columns or fields you want to display. To demonstrate this, I'll recall the previous command and then type a space and then the question mark key. The output shows the available options: fields, limit, order by, and where. I'll use the up arrow key to recall the previous command and then type fields and a question mark. The output shows the available fields, which can be viewed for compute nodes. I'll recall the previous command and then provide the name field. Next, I'll recall the previous command, then backspace to change the field to state. For one last example of using the list command, I'll view the total CPUs for each compute node. I'll type a question mark to show the base commands again. Next, we'll look at the show command. I'll type show question mark to see a list of objects that you can show details of. I'll begin by typing show AS, then press the tab key to complete the object name, and we see the status of the ASR phone home configuration. Next, I'll type show R, then press the tab key to autocomplete the rack object. Running this command results in an error, command not complete, missing instance. I can get the instance ID by running the list rack command. Now I'll copy the ID for the rack and rerun the show rack command, but this time I'll include ID equal and paste the instance ID. The command runs this time and provides some details about the rack. I'll now run the showcustomcmds command, but again I get an error, command not complete, missing object type. To list available object types, I can press the up arrow to recall the previous command and include a question mark. Now I can run the showcustomcmds command and provide an object type, for example, compute node. This lists all the commands that are specific to compute nodes. I'll recall the previous command and backspace to change the object type to compute instance. This lists all the commands that are specific to compute instances. I'll type a question mark again to show the base commands. Notice there is a showobjtypes command, which I'll run, which displays all of the available object types. I'll type a question mark again to show the base commands. Notice there is a help command, which I'll run. This provides the command line syntax for some commands. Notice that the create, delete, edit, list, show, add, and remove commands require an object type argument. We'll demonstrate many of these commands in subsequent videos in this series. To exit the Service CLI, type Exit. This concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching. Please check our additional information on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance documentation or in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Learning Library.